let's take a quick look at PEMDAS so we can make sense of it and organize it, know how it works. PEMDAS is attacked. Some people say that's not the order of operations, but that's a little wrong-headed. It's a little bit of a misunderstanding. PEMDAS is an acronym. It's a word formed from the first letters of a series of words: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now it serves as a mnemonic because it helps us remember which operations to do in the general order in which to do them. Besides PEMDAS, some people remember this as "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," if we diagram, we get this right here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, the bare bones of the sentence is up here. The modifiers are down below. Notice that you is the subject of the sentence. You, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You're talking to a person. Excuse is the verb. That's what the you is doing. And Aunt Sally is the object of the excusing. So noun, verb, noun, subject, verb, object up on top. You excuse Aunt Sally. Main part of the sentence. Modifiers down below. My and dear modify Aunt Sally. Those are adjectives because adjectives modify nouns. Please modifies excuse, so it's an adverb. My answers whose. Whose Aunt Sally? My Aunt Sally. Dear describes Aunt Sally, so answers what kind? What kind of Aunt Sally? A dear Aunt Sally. Please means if it would be agreeable to you, or if you would be so kind. If it would be agreeable to you, excuse Aunt Sally. So it's conditioning Aunt Sally. Or, excuse me, conditioning the excuse. It's telling how in regard to the excuse. And notice that Aunt Sally, A and S, one's not subordinate to the other. They're not different parts of speech, no priority. So addition and subtraction, we do them as we find them from left to right. One does not have priority over the other. One's not subordinate to the other. My dear, two adjectives. One's not subordinate to the other. It's the same part of speech. So we multiply and divide as we find them from left to right. One doesn't come first. There's no priority, no subordination. They come as we find them from left to right. Hopefully that'll help you organize the PEMDAS, remember how to use it better, know your parts of speech, and you can break it down and make more sense of it. Thank you very much. Hope this helped. And if you want more explanation of this, I have another video about this that's longer, and I describe this in more detail. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.